Hello everyone. Today we will introduce a variety of high-performance-to-price-ratio domestic chips, as well as application examples in various scenarios. Do you still remember the feeling when you first burned out a chip? The cost of several hundred yuan may thus be rendered worthless. Have you ever had the sorrowful experience of a BOM cost explosion? An imported chip may account for 80% of the total cost. In today's rapidly advancing field of electronic technology, domestic chips are no longer the image of followers in our memory. Instead, they are gradually becoming synonymous with innovation, and cost-performance ratio are quietly transforming the global market landscape. First to take the stage is Puya's PU32FO30 series, like youyeetoo, featuring 4 kilobytes of RAM and 32 kilobytes of flash memory. The price is only 70 cents. It is renowned for its low power consumption and low cost. It is positioned to compete with the low-end STM32 series. It is widely used in fields such as consumer electronics, smart home technology, and industrial control. Next up is the well-known domestic 32 series. Although compared to the original, there may be some inevitable incompatibilities. However, they have achieved the ultimate in cost control. youyeetoo, featuring 20 kilobytes of RAM and 256 kilobytes of flash memory. Whether it's a simple LED light or a complex robot control system, there is a place for domestic 32. When it comes to wireless connectivity, the ESP32 series must be mentioned. S receives Wi-Fi SoC is highly favored by developers for its excellent cost-performance ratio. The ESP32C3 for less than 10 yuan. Even the high-end ESP32S3 can be obtained for just over 10 yuan, providing a high-end experience with 8 megabytes of SRAM and 16 megabytes of flash memory. Whether for constructing IoT projects or DIY smart home systems, they are indispensable choices. In the fields of multimedia processing and Linux, domestic chips are also making significant strides. Whether it is the early F1C1 OS or the emerging CV1800 SG2002, both provide robust support. These chips provide 64 meters to 256 megabytes of SRAM. They also come with an MU. They can run a trimmed-down Linux system, whether it is playing high-definition videos or edge computing. These domestic chips can all perfectly meet the requirements. Lastly, it is imperative to mention the FPGA product line from Gowan Semiconductor. The GWENGWINR series is specifically designed for consumer electronics. The GW1N9 provides 8,640 LUTs, which is sufficient to run the Pikov series soft core. This type of programmable logic device allows engineers to customize hardware functions according to specific requirements. It is highly suitable for prototyping and small-scale production.